Sending money to loved ones across the globe is now just a few taps away with the Moneygram app. First, locate and tap the Moneygram app icon on your smartphone to launch it. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If not, tap Sign Up to create a new one, following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, tap on the prominent Send Money option. This will initiate the transfer process. Next, you'll need to select the country where your recipient will be receiving the money. Scroll through the list or type to find your desired destination. Enter the exact amount of money you wish to send. The app will then display any applicable fees and the estimated exchange rate. Now, it's time to enter your recipient's information. Carefully fill in their first name, last name, and any other required details, making sure everything is accurate. Choose your preferred payment method. You can typically pay with a credit card, debit card, or by linking directly to your bank account. Select the option that works best for you. If you're using a card, enter the card number, expiration date, and the security code. If you're linking a bank account, follow the secure process to authorize the connection. Before finalizing, review all the transaction details on the summary screen. Double-check the recipient's name, the amount, and your payment method. Once you are satisfied that all information is correct, tap the Confirm or Send button to complete your money transfer. Congratulations! Your money transfer is now complete. You'll receive a confirmation with a reference number that your recipient may need to pick up the funds. You can easily track your transfer within the app. Using the Moneygram app makes sending money safe, fast, and convenient, all from the palm of your hand. So next time you need to send money, remember the Moneygram app.